Imagine a future where electricity is cheap, clean, and virtually unlimited. No fossil fuels, no carbon emissions, just pure energy harnessed from the same process that powers the sun. That future might be closer than we think, thanks to a record-breaking magnet built by General Atomics. Today, we'll dive deep into how this magnet could help unlock limitless clean energy through nuclear fusion. First, let's clear the basics. Nuclear fusion is not the same as nuclear fission, which powers today's nuclear plants. Fusion happens when two light atoms, like hydrogen isotopes, merge to form a heavier atom, releasing massive amounts of energy in the process. It's the reaction that makes the sun shine. If we can replicate this on Earth, even a small amount of fuel could power cities for days. Here's where General Atomics enters the story. Nestled in San Diego, California, General Atomics is a company renowned for pushing the boundaries of science and technology. For decades, they've been at the forefront of innovation, tackling some of the world's most complex engineering challenges. Their expertise spans from advanced energy systems to cutting-edge defense technologies, but perhaps one of their most ambitious projects to date is their work on fusion energy. Fusion, the process that powers the sun, has long been considered the holy grail of clean, limitless energy. And at the heart of this quest lies a truly extraordinary piece of engineering. General Atomics has built one of the most powerful magnets ever created, a central solenoid magnet designed specifically for ITER, the world's largest and most ambitious experimental fusion reactor, currently under construction in the south of France. This magnet isn't just a component, it's the beating heart of the reactor, responsible for generating the immense magnetic fields needed to confine and control the superheated plasma where fusion occurs. The central solenoid is made up of 6 modules, each meticulously crafted and assembled with precision. The engineering required to build such a magnet is staggering, involving superconducting materials cooled to near absolute zero, and the ability to withstand forces equivalent to twice the thrust of a space shuttle launch. To put its scale into perspective, this magnet stands as tall as a 4-story building and weighs about 1,000 tons, roughly the same as a fully loaded commercial airliner. Its magnetic field is so powerful that, in theory, it could lift an aircraft carrier clean off the ground using magnetic force alone. Transporting and assembling such a colossal structure is a feat in itself, requiring custom-built vehicles, months of planning, and a team of dedicated engineers working in perfect harmony. Can you imagine? A single magnet with the strength to defy gravity on that scale. It's not just a marvel of engineering, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to unlock the secrets of the universe. The central solenoid magnet is more than just metal and wires. It's a symbol of hope for a future powered by clean, sustainable fusion energy and a shining example of what's possible when science and determination come together. But why a magnet? Fusion requires temperatures over 150 million degrees Celsius. That's 10 times hotter than the core of the sun. At these temperatures, no material can contain the plasma, so scientists use powerful magnetic fields to control and confine it. Without magnets, fusion would simply be impossible. This magnet is headed for ITER, a $22 billion mega project involving 35 countries. It's actually the largest science collaboration on Earth, bigger than the space station in terms of international scale. General Atomics built this magnet in San Diego, and soon, it will be shipped piece by piece to France for assembly. If ITER succeeds, it will demonstrate that fusion can generate more power than it consumes, a milestone scientists have been chasing for decades. Imagine a world where energy is no longer a source of pollution, conflict, or scarcity. What's truly at stake here is nothing less than the promise of limitless clean energy, a breakthrough that could transform every aspect of our lives. For decades, humanity has dreamed of harnessing the power of the stars, and now, with fusion energy, that dream is closer than ever before. To put it in perspective, just 1 kilogram of fusion fuel, tiny, almost weightless, could generate as much energy as 10 million kilograms of fossil fuel. That's enough to power entire cities for days, without the choking smog or the environmental devastation we've come to associate with traditional energy sources. Fusion fuel is derived from elements like hydrogen, which are abundant and can be extracted from water, making it a virtually inexhaustible resource. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atoms and leaves behind dangerous, long-lived radioactive waste, fusion works by joining atoms together, the same process that powers our sun. The result? No long-lived radioactive waste to store for thousands of years, and no risk of catastrophic contamination. Fusion's byproducts are minimal and far less hazardous, making it a cleaner, safer alternative to both fossil fuels and current nuclear technologies. Safety is another game changer. Fusion reactors can't melt down like traditional nuclear plants. The reaction requires precise conditions. If anything goes wrong, the process simply stops. This means no risk of runaway reactions or devastating accidents. Scientists and engineers are designing these facilities with multiple layers of safety, ensuring that fusion energy remains secure and reliable for everyone. Imagine cities powered by clean, limitless energy. No more reliance on polluting fuels, no more blackouts, and no more trade-offs between progress and the planet. Fusion could work alongside wind, solar, and other renewables, creating a resilient, sustainable energy grid that supports modern life while protecting the environment. It's the ultimate energy source for a sustainable future, opening doors to innovations we can only begin to imagine. So, if you could live in a world powered entirely by clean, safe, and unlimited energy, what would you want to see change first? Would it be cleaner air, affordable electricity for all, or new technologies that improve our daily lives? The possibilities are endless and the future is in our hands. Share your vision in the comments below. Let's imagine the future together. Of course, fusion isn't easy. Building reactors that can handle such extreme conditions is honestly one of humanity's greatest engineering challenges. ITER is expected to begin plasma experiments by 2025, with full fusion reactions in the 2030s. But once it works, it could pave the way for commercial fusion power plants by mid-century. General Atomics' magnet isn't just a piece of technology. It's a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. This magnet represents years of research, countless hours of labor, and the collective effort of brilliant minds from around the world. It's a symbol of human ambition, the drive to push boundaries, to explore the unknown, and to achieve what once seemed impossible. This magnet is more than just a component. It's a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. It's proof that with enough innovation and collaboration, we can overcome the most daunting challenges. Scientists and engineers from different backgrounds and countries have come together, united by a common goal to harness the power of fusion energy. We might finally unlock the power of the stars right here on Earth. Imagine a world where clean, limitless energy is a reality. A world where our energy needs are met without harming the planet. This is the promise of fusion energy. If you found this video inspiring, think about the possibilities that lie ahead. The journey to fusion energy is filled with challenges, but also with incredible potential. Your support and interest can make a difference. Make sure to hit like, as it helps us reach more people who are passionate about science and technology. Share this with your friends, family, and colleagues. Spread the word about the exciting advancements in fusion energy and the potential it holds for our future. And subscribe for more updates on the future of clean energy and technology. Stay informed about the latest breakthroughs and innovations. And don't forget, check out my playlist on next-gen energy projects for more fascinating breakthroughs. Dive deeper into the world of clean energy and discover how we are shaping a sustainable future together.